Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Crunchyroll on Xbox. Easy guide step by step clearly. Turn on your Xbox and make sure you are signed into your Xbox profile with an active internet connection. From the home screen, open My Games and Apps to access your installed apps. Go to Apps and select Crunchyroll, or use search to find Crunchyroll if you don't see it. If Crunchyroll is not installed, choose Install and wait until the download and setup finish. Launch the Crunchyroll app and wait for the first loading screen to complete. On the welcome screen, choose Login or Sign In to start the account connection. If you see an option for Sign In with a code, select it for the easiest method on a TV. Write down the activation code shown on your Xbox screen exactly as it appears. On your phone or computer, open a web browser and go to the activation website shown on the Xbox screen. Sign into Crunchyroll in the browser using the same email and password you want on Xbox. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link and reset it before continuing. After you are signed in on the website, find the box to enter the activation code. Type the code carefully, paying attention to uppercase letters and numbers. Select Activate, Link, or Continue on the website to confirm the connection. Look back at your Xbox and wait a few seconds for the app to refresh automatically. If it does not refresh, close the Crunchyroll app and open it again. If you chose email and password login instead, select that option and enter your details using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check for typing mistakes, especially spaces at the end of your email or password. If you use two-step verification, complete any verification prompt that appears on your phone or email. Once logged in, choose your profile if Crunchyroll asks who is watching. Go to Settings in the Crunchyroll app to confirm you are on the correct account. If you have a subscription, verify Premium is active by checking the Account or Membership section. If Premium is not showing, sign out and sign in again to refresh your account status. For streaming issues, test your connection in Xbox network settings and restart your router if needed. Make sure your Xbox system software is up to date to avoid compatibility problems. Update the Crunchyroll app for Microsoft Store updates if an update is available. If the activation code page fails, generate a new code by returning to the login screen and selecting Sign In with the code again. After everything works, start any episode to confirm playback and audio are working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.